Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to check pending friend requests on Roblox. First, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Then, at the left side menu bar, you will find friends. Click on it, and from here you will find the list of the people that are friends of yours and the following and followers. Following means the people you are following, and followers the people who are following you. And here at the last request, from here you will find the friend requests from peoples to you. You can find the list of the peoples who wants to be friends with you, and then you can have two options. One is accept and another is reject. Then you can accept the friend request on Roblox, and also you can reject the friend request as your wish. And if you want to see the pending requests that you have sent to other people, then you must need to remember the name of the specific people. You need to search the name in people, so you will get the list of the people. As you can see, I have requested two-person from here. As you can see, all are the same name, and from here I just requested two-person, and that's why they here you can see the request sent button. That's mean I have already sent friend request to them. And when you click on the profile, you will see a pending button. Here you can see a pending button. You can cancel the friend request, but they can reject your friend request and it is yet to accept. And that's how you can see that your pending request that you have sent to other peoples. For this, the only way is to remember the name of the specific peoples. And there you go. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.